The weather is going to stay very changeable over this coming weekend. There will be further heavy rain, particularly I think in the south of Britain. That could lead to some localised flooding because the ground is still very saturated. In the northeast we've got a different problem, snow and blizzard conditions, particularly for the Northern Isles. It's going to be very unpleasant there this weekend. The winds are coming from a southeasterly, very cold direction. The cold air from Scandinavia down across Denmark and then up into the northeast of Scotland. And those winds stay strong right the way through into this weekend. So the snow risk really is for the very far northeast. Elsewhere it's going to be milder, but we will have further bands of rain coming up from the southwest. So for the Northern Isles, if you happen to be going there, if you live there, it is going to be whiteout conditions this weekend. Really unpleasant, atrocious weather. Well, back to the near and now. Here you can see we've got the weather front with us today. We're going to have another one coming up with us for Saturday, another area of low pressure out to the southwest for Sunday, and if that wasn't enough, we're going to keep the low pressure close by into next week. And at times those isobars are tightly packed together. It will be windy as well. For this afternoon then, the wettest weather is across the northeast of Scotland. Elsewhere it is a cloudy afternoon, quite a lot of mist and fog over the higher ground, but many areas are now a good deal drier than they were this morning. During this evening though, we'll find the next band of rain heading its way towards Northern Ireland. The temperatures today back to where they should be for this time of year, around 5 to 8 degrees, but then overnight we're going to find more rain coming into the southwest, and that means for many it will be a wet end to the night. I think we're going to see snow as well above about 300 metres in Scotland, above about 500 metres in the north of England. The temperatures tonight on the rise out to the west then probably ending up around 4 to 6 degrees, but a bitterly cold night across the Northern Isles, -1 there, and 1 to 2 in many northern and eastern areas. Into Saturday, for many of us, it's going to start off cloudy and wet. Brighter weather will come in to the south and the west though, but then more wet weather arriving in the southwest of England by the end of the afternoon. Into Sunday, we keep the blizzard conditions in the northeast, but elsewhere the wet weather again pushing its way up from the southwest. So for all of us, we're going to need those umbrellas this weekend. It's not just us either, because down in the Aegean, here we've got an area of low pressure, and that's been giving some very wet weather as well. That's all from me for now though, staying with our very changeable weather. Bye-bye.